Hi guys, today I will walk you through how to use promo code in Kuku FM in 2025. Let's get started with the video. This is a full guide, so make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. First, open your browser and head over to the official Kuku FM website. Next, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it first. Once logged in, go to the top right corner of the website and click on your profile icon or account name. Now inside your profile, look for account settings or subscription settings. In this section, find an option that lets you redeem a code. It might be labeled as Enter Promo Code, Redeem Voucher, or Apply Discount Code. Go ahead and type or paste your redeem code in the field provided. After that, click on Apply. If the code is valid, the discount or benefit, like a free subscription, will be applied to your account. Finally, you should receive a confirmation once the code is successfully redeemed. Your subscription or account settings will reflect the changes right away. And that's it, you're all set.